Hello everyone and welcome back. So finally we have some information on the next processor for Galaxy Watch 6. Also I have a watch face for giveaway, so don't forget to check it out. The next Galaxy Watch is going to be powered by Exynos W980, a chipset that is going to be around 10% faster than the last generation that was used in Galaxy Watch 4, and Galaxy Watch 5 also had the same processor. We don't have any exact information on the CPU and GPU clock speed. I hope this new processor will be based on less than 5 nanometer process, so it can give some amazing battery life. Galaxy Watch 5 has an Exynos W920 processor that is a dual core processor with 1.18 GHz clock speed and Mali G68 GPU. For day-to-day usage, this processor is just okay, as sometimes the Galaxy Watch stutters a bit. I hope with next Wear OS version and better processor, we will see a smooth performance on Galaxy Watch 6. You might be thinking, why Samsung is using Exynos processor in Galaxy Watch? It's the best available right now. Even Google is using Exynos processor on their Pixel Watch. As Unpacked event is getting closer, we will be getting more leaks each and every day. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you never miss any update. Okay, now talking about the watch face, this is Yosash A470 available on Google Play Store. Free coupons are available for this watch face for giveaway. So just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. Design of the watch face is easy to read and offers plenty of information in the background. Bottom section has two dials, one shows our heart rate monitor and the other one shows step counter, while battery percentage is highlighted here in this bar form. At the top we have sunset sunrise indicator, and here we have some specific app shortcuts. Talking about customization, just long press on the watch face and now tap on Customize. First you can change the color of each dial, which are highlighted here at the bottom, showing our step counter and heart rate monitor, like this. Then you can change the color of time highlighted here. So you can see that we have a lot of colors with this watch face. At the end, we have few settings for complications. So this was Yosash A470, and that was all about for today's episode. I hope you liked it, and with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.